Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of MVDBR Fitment. Today we have got B&B Bash plate to fit up to the 390 Adventure. We've got a brand new bracket and we've also got the Bash plate.
So this Bash plate's already been fitted to the bike for a little while, so it's had the Moto Chicks
Custom scratches.
abuse, but rest assured that when you buy yours from B&B, it will rock up in mint condition. Yes. It won't look like this. And you can get them obviously in this black PPA coating or polished aluminium, yep, depending on what you prefer. So when you have removed your stock Bash plate from the bike, you will have these 6 5mm Allen key bolts. So they will mount the new bracket to the bike, so use the stock bolts for the new bracket. What they've actually done here is, they've given you quite a bit of wiggle room with these, and you can fit this up, mount this all up to the bike, and then because these nuts are welded on the back here, which is really handy, then you can just go ahead and tighten all these up, and that'll lock the brackets in place. So if you have to take it off again in the future, they'll all be in the right spot to go straight back on. So it's really awesome. We probably will put some thread lock on these before we mount it all up, so I'll quickly do that now. You'll need an 8mm socket for these bolts, and of course a 5mm Allen key for the stock bolts. And I would thread lock all of those as well, but we'll go ahead and put the bracket on the bike. Righto, so this just mounts up pretty much the same as the stock bracket, guys, and you won't have to worry if you have a Kuba decat header pipe or anything. It does fit up perfectly with that. No worries there. So I'd recommend just doing these all pretty much finger tight first. So you've got 3 on this side of the bike, and then you'll have 3 on the other side of the bike as well. So yeah, just remember guys, once this bracket's on, that's it. You don't have to take it off anymore, unless you particularly need to get behind it for some reason. But for general maintenance and oil changes, it can just stay on there. So once all 6 bolts are in, you can go ahead and tighten them up. Alright, so the next step, we'll take our 8mm socket and tighten up the 4 bolts on the bottom here. To lock those brackets in place. Now next step, we need to tighten up this 5mm Allen key here at the front. I'm going to grab the actual Bash plate and we'll whip that on. So these are the 4 main bolts and washers that we mount the Bash plate with. Thread lock. So I found the easiest way to get this on there is, you can see at the bottom here you've got the 2 smaller holes here with that are recessed. Those are the ones where you need to put the bolts. And you can basically line that up with your bracket. Just get one started. And put the one at the back. And finally the 2 front bolts. Go ahead and torque these up. That's pretty much your Bash plate fitted, apart from that other dicky little bolt on the other side. You can probably choose to leave that off if you want to. I would like to, because it makes it a lot easier to take it off, but just for that tiny little added bit of stability, we'll stick it on. We've just ended up putting like a small spacer thingy in there. Just, yeah, your mileage may vary depending on how bent this thing is on your bike. One more thing that's great about this B&B Bash plate, in the past when we've needed to lift the 390 up to do work on it or wash it or whatever, we've had to get the paddock stands out. The Bash plates that we've had on there previously couldn't handle having a jack stand underneath them. With the B&B, no worries at all. Whack it under. Jack it up, and it is as solid as a rock. No problem at all jacking it up. Love it. Alright guys, that's our install of the B&B Bash plate. As you can see, it's a tough unit. It's well mounted, easy to take off. When it comes to bash plates and protective gear, you just can't beat B&B Off-Road Engineering. Check out their website, it's bboffroad.com.au. Get your 390 gear. Cheers.